Kumusta titas and titas? So today, ang gagawin natin is we're going to review a food product for you. I decided to review this one. This is Bulletproof Cold Brew with collagen. Now, I got this one from Healthy Options. It's kind of pricey, 420 pesos, and then I have a gold card with Healthy Options, so that gives me the benefit of having 10% off whatever I buy. So I'm here to tell you guys if this is actually worth your money. Now, this is the original Bulletproof brand, the one that was made popular by Dave Asprey. So Dave Asprey is the guy who actually started this whole butter in your coffee craze. Now, a lot of people call their coffee bulletproof coffee, but not all of them can actually lay claim to being the original bulletproof coffee. So other people just call it butter coffee or keto coffee or fat coffee. Basically, the principle is Bulletproof actually recommends you to brew mycotoxin-free coffee, so that's why you're supposed to buy his brand of coffee from the website. That's how you can get it over here. And after that, you blend it with a slice of grass-fed butter. Take note, it has to be grass-fed butter. That's the particular. It's not just any butter. You get more benefits like more CLA from grass-fed butter as compared to butter that's not from grass-fed cows. Over here in the Philippines, we get to have the only brand of grass-fed butter readily available in supermarkets is Anchor Butter. You can also get Kerrygold from Healthy Options. Those are the two that I've seen that are grass-fed. I think Organic Valley in some select Rustan supermarkets, but the rest of the other butters, those are probably not grass-fed, so that they wouldn't work the way the Bulletproof recipe suggests. After that, you put some MCT oil. Now, the Bulletproof recipe uses what they call brain octane. So that's their special patented trademark type of MCT oil. So if that's not the type of MCT oil that you're using, you really can't call what you're drinking Bulletproof coffee, since Bulletproof is an actual brand, guys. As you can see there, it's an actual brand. So I'm reviewing this thing for you. This has collagen in it. Now, one way you can do that is by adding a scoop of collagen peptides to your coffee. I actually use a brand of collagen peptides called Vital Proteins. You can actually make this stuff at home. Now, is it worth it for 420 pesos? Personally, I think if you make your own, even if you used all the Bulletproof brands, which are pricey in their own right, they're actually expensive in their own right, you'll still end up spending less than half of what this costs. I'm pretty sure that, if I'm not mistaken, before I computed it to about 60, 70 pesos a cup if you were to use the actual brands involved. So that's about 5 times less than what this costs. In the US, this costs about $5 per container. Now, $5, if you convert that to our currency, that's going to be about a little over half of what it costs over here. So personally, cost-wise, that's a very, very big factor in making this one not accessible to a lot of people. Now, just to let you guys know, I don't buy this on the regular. I'm just trying this out right now for this video. 2 years ago, I had the privilege of going to the Bulletproof conference actually in Los Angeles, California, and they were actually having free flow of this. So it was all you can drink free flow every day. So I haven't had any of that since that day until now. So last time I had it was sometime in 2017 because it was free flow, it was for free. And then now I bought one just to review it for you guys. So the ingredients are, let me repeat, the ingredients are Bulletproof Cold Brew Coffee. That's their trademark mycotoxin-free coffee. And then there's hydrolyzed collagen. So that's what I was talking about, collagen peptides. It's good for your skin, good for your nails, good for your hair. Some say it's good for your gut bacteria as well. And you get it actually from things like bone broth, but now it's available in powder form. For athletes, you may want to look into it because it's very good for your joints and it also helps in muscle building. So that's one of the benefits of collagen protein. Next, you have brain octane oil. Brain octane oil. Like I mentioned earlier, that is the brand the actual brand of Bulletproof, that's their MCT oil. There's some purification process, the trademark that they go through, but here in the Philippines, we have other brands of MCT oils. Now, and then it says here there's grass-fed butter, and then here are the extra ingredients. There's erythritol. Erythritol is a sugar alcohol, so that's what they use to make it sweet. Now, erythritol, the good thing about erythritol is it won't spike your insulin or it won't raise your blood sugar. So it's a sugar alcohol. It's a substitute that makes it sweet, but it's not an artificial sweetener. Okay, it's a natural sweetener. No, there it is. Then there's gum acacia, and then there's gel and gum, natural flavors, monk fruit extract, which is another sweetener, a natural sweetener that doesn't spike your blood sugar or your insulin. So people on following a ketogenic diet, they will benefit a lot from this. I mean, if you have the money and you're stuck in let's say you're stuck somewhere and there's you find this available for you, like let's say there's a healthy option somewhere, yeah, it could work. Maybe that's one of the reasons that you could justify this cost. But if you're just at home, you know, we could actually make a video for you guys showing you how to make your own bulletproof coffee. Comment below if you'd like to see that. I'm gonna try to drink this one and tell you guys if it's just as good as I remember. So if you're not used to drinking buttered coffee, it can be a bit of an acquired taste, but it's actually pretty good once you get the hang of it. You know, I used to drink bulletproof coffee or buttered coffee almost every day. I'd say up to early last year when I wanted to incorporate more carbohydrates in my diet. So we're gonna drink it now. Open it. Okay. It's a bit on the... This actually tastes a little different from what I remember. Yeah, the coffee is good. It basically tastes like a cold brew latte or iced coffee with some milk. Basically, that's what it kind of tastes like, with a slight... Actually, there's no fatty aftertaste. You actually can't taste the butter that much anymore. So this has about 11 grams of fat in total and about 9 grams of saturated fat. Now, that saturated fat is coming from the butter. So for those of you who are on keto, this is perfect for you. Now, for those of you who are not on keto, it can be a little bit high in fat content, so I'd watch that. Now, the carbohydrates, it's 12 grams with 7 grams of that is sugar alcohols. So that means that we take out the 7 grams of sugar alcohols because it doesn't spike your insulin, and your net carbs will be about 5 grams. Yeah, 5 grams of net carbs. Yeah, it could be. I guess it could be keto friendly. Now it has 15 grams of protein. I guess all of that 15 grams is collagen protein. So we'll see. Maybe I should get back into the habit of drinking way more collagen so my skin gets a little bit fairer for you guys. Alright, so I hope that was enough. That was good information for you guys. If you want to try it, or if you don't, the pros is it's readily available. You don't have to mix it or blend it whenever you're outside. If you're on a keto diet and if you're in the habit of drinking butter coffee in the morning to extend your fast or prolong your fast, if you have the money, if you can justify the cost, go for it. But if you're at home and you're on the keto diet and you drink buttered coffee, honestly, I don't see the point in drinking this stuff or buying this stuff. It's just too costly for you to do that. Now, I bit the bullet, did the video for you guys. If you got this far, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and ring that bell. Thank you. Stay fit, stay home, and stay healthy.